Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how I make peppermint shower gel. This is my shower gel I use and it's almost finished, and as you can see it has a nice natural green color. I did not add any color to this one, so I'm gonna make it with you so you can learn how to make this. It's very simple, it's very organic, just a few ingredients. So let's get started. We're gonna start by measuring out our transparent soap. Okay, I already show you how to make transparent soap, so if you don't know how to make transparent soap, I have a video on it. So we're measuring out 16 ounces transparent soap. See how transparent it is? I like working with transparent soap simply because it lets me see everything through. Okay, so, and you know, it's fun. Okay, so now we're gonna start by, obviously we're gonna add our other ingredients. So we're gonna be adding our glycerin. We're gonna add about an ounce of our vegetable glycerin, you know, so that we can keep our skin nice and moist. Glycerin helps to keep the skin moist. And then we're gonna mix that together. If you don't know how to make a transparent soap, I have a video down below. So after this we are going to be adding our peppermints. They smell wonderful, so we'll be adding that much, 1 spoon of our peppermint. We're just gonna mix them together. Now I'm not gonna add color to this because I want the peppermint, the dry peppermint leaves to give me that natural green color. Remember this color? Yeah. So we're just gonna mix our leaves and then we're gonna add our peppermint essential oil. We are gonna count 20 drops. Yes, I really love this shower gel. It's natural, a few ingredients, and I feel like the color comes out very well, especially if you know how to make liquid transparent soap. Sorry, you have this beautiful color. I choose to leave my leaves in like this, you know. I don't like straight them out later. And yeah, and this is it. So we're just gonna put this into our bottle and that's it. So here I have my 16 ounces bottle. I'm just gonna carefully with a steady hand pour my peppermint shower gel in here. This is so natural, it's organic, there's no chemicals or anything, and that's it. So as you can see, that's my peppermint shower gel. Now after about 3 hours, it's gonna turn from looking like this to looking like this. So I'll just give it like 3 hours, and all these peppermint dry leaves will be soaked in, and they'll produce a really nice color. That's why I didn't add, there was no point for me to add any color at all. Thanks for watching.